We all use fonts on our computers. Whenever we open up Word, Excel, or any other text-based or graphic design app, we use fonts. All of them came with our system and other apps, so they were automatically installed. But how to actually install a font? I will show you in this video how to do that and a little bit more. On this channel, I post videos about how to find, edit and sell public domain works, free graphic tools helping you to make money online, and software reviews. Please also check my Gumroad store where I post a lot of PDFs with many sources from these videos. I will download a free font from site called Creative Fabrica. They have all sorts of graphics and tools here. Really cool site. First and foremost, they offer stuff for sale, and also they have a subscription which you can enroll at any time. I've had a subscription since like 3 years or so, and it is totally worth it. I will be showing you free graphics, and with any graphic site these days there is always a freebie section. Basically, all sites are offering freebies as a way to promote their products and growing their email lists. So once we're on the home page, we have various tabs like fonts, graphics, crafts, and on the right hand side we have a freebies area. When you hover over it, it will show you all available freebies. So let's just click free fonts, and we've got over 510 fonts. So as you can see, all their fonts have a free commercial license, meaning it is ready to go for commercial use at no additional cost. So pretty much you can download all of these and use them whichever you want. You cannot really resell these fonts, but you can design with them. So at the time of this recording, there are 500 plus free fonts. Bear in mind that this number is changing and the fonts are changing too, so what you see here today, it will not be here tomorrow or the next day. As you can see on the two first fonts, there is a countdown, and these fonts will go back to the main paid catalog in the next 3 days. So probably by the time when you're gonna see this video, you will see totally different fonts in here. So if you want to try it out, just fire ahead and download them. I'll go with the very first font, which is called Beautiful. It's a modern calligraphy font, and we're on to the font page. And here we can check pretty much all the graphics which the designer has added to this listing, all the mockups and how the font looks like on the various products, as they created the mockups to showcase the font. But let's scroll down just a little bit, and we have more info about compatibility with other systems and software. For example, like machines like Cricut or Silhouette. You can also try this font. Just type in here, let's say, my font. Hit enter. You can actually adjust the size that you would like to see it in, and you see the preview. So many of these free fonts, they have extras like glyphs and other stuff. So let's click on the purple button, view all glyphs, and here we can actually see all the characters that are included with this font. As you can see, there's a lot of different characters in here, and this font is great for wedding invitations. There are many sellers on Etsy and other places using similar fonts for designing the printables for wedding niche, which is a still huge niche. Right, let's get to the previous page. In order to download the freebies from Creative Fabrica, you must be logged in. Basically, you have to create a free account. There is no need for a credit card or anything. You don't have to pay anything. Simply create an account by providing them with your email name, confirm the email message sent by Creative Fabrica system, and you're good to go. So once we have account creation out the way, simply click the download button and check your download folder. I am recommending to create a permanent folder for all your fonts and move them from download to fonts folder. So let's double click on the file we have downloaded, and we have two fonts inside. Sometimes you might have other files too, as some designers are including text files, JPEGs and extras that they want to surprise us with. We are interested in these two files, TrueType and OpenType. So which font is better, OpenType or TrueType, you might ask? Because pretty much For everyday user, it does not really matter. But for us who are making money with the designs, or we are planning to make money, OpenType or OTF is a better choice to go with. So I'm gonna install OpenType. OTF or OpenType font is better to install as it may have additional features like ligatures, glyphs, small caps, alternate characters, and old style figures. So if you ever have a choice, then go with OTF or OpenType by default. But in general, they both are good. So double click the OpenType and click install. After that, you'll see a pop-up, and that's it. Your font is installed. So now you can open any of the apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Photoshop and use it straight away. If you won't be able to see the font in any of the programs that you want to use it in, then close the app and open up again. But in general, once you click install font, your Office suite and graphic design software will be automatically updated. So I've went ahead and I created a list of 40 plus sites with free fonts. The link to the PDF is down below the video in the description. If you've got any value from this video, then show me some love and like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.